Hi, good day. My name is Roy. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Access Database, and I will discuss some object using the forms, queries, tables, and VBE codes. So all you need to do is create blank database. For example, this one I'm going to create my sample DB. Create. Okay, here you can there is a default table. You can design here this table. Just name it employee TBL employee. So you need to put ID number, uh, name, student name, address, birthday, date of birth. So this is a sample only. Okay. So now I will create a form entry form for this one. So I just need to go to wizard and create. So for example, this one I need to do it in by this one columnar. So I just click next. Then the form name should be FRM employee. Okay. So here's the form now. So I can create this one. I can modify the form. This is the level form. This is the level and the text box, this one. So and if you want to add a button in it, so you just need to click a button here. This is a button. So cmd add. Okay, I will make add button. Cmd add. Add search. Cmd search. Delete. Cmd delete. You can format this form, either you want to put it a style. So this is the style that I want. So for example, this one I need to create add button, add. So just to cmd that go to record new record. So now this one I want to format all of this object to have a color in it. So this one, So employee. I want to change the background color to this one or this one. Change the color of the text. So some features I need to disable some features in this form. So I'd like to remove the record selector, navigation button, and scroll bars. So close, simply close. Me that name. So now I will compile the VBA to see if there is an error. So if I run the program, so this is the one. So as you can see, 001, the name is Roy Lokman, address Philippines, date of birth. So if I make another entry, so I just need to click add 002, Rolly Philippines. Now I'm going to put some add button, close delete button. So this one, the search button. Well, I will create a VBE code in this one. So do simply that search first where ID number equals str ID. So here, so I will declare the str ID as string. So equals input box is enter ID number, search ID number. This one I will make the VBA code for delete. cmd.delete run SQL run command cmd delete record. So we'll run the program, search 002. Search there you go. Now I will make add another one, 003 Cynthia Lokman, Philippines. Search 001. You. Now I'm going to delete the 003. Delete. Yes. Close. Okay, this is my example. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.